Good morning, children. Environmental science, lesson number 1, living world. Children, in previous class, we have learned about some characteristics. They are living beings move, living beings excrete, living beings reproduce, life cycle of the plants, and living being respond to the stimuli. Yes, children, I hope you all understood that. Now, some more characteristics are there. Let us learn in this video. This is the ninth characteristics, that is living beings have lifespan. Organism. Organism take birth, become adult, reproduce, become old and die at last. The period between the life and the death of an organism is called lifespan. The average lifespan of some animals are given below. Observe the table here. Turtle 150 years, elephant 70 years, cow 20 years, eagle 20 years, man 70 to 80. This is the approximately they have given, children. Man may live up to 100 years also. Okay. Can you see the pictures of turtle? It will be living up to 150 years. Very strong, isn't it? And elephant 70 years. Humans, that is a man and women, 70 to 80 years. And cow 20 years. And elephant 70 years. An eagle 20 years. Based on lifespan, plants are classified into three, that is annuals, biennials and perennials. Annuals, the plants which bear flowers, produce fruits and die in a year or a season. Example, jowar, wheat, paddy, pumpkin, vegetable, cotton, etc. This is cotton plant, children. These plants, it will live for 1 year. It will produce fruits, and it will live for 1 year. After that, it will die. So these plants are called annuals. Biennials, the plants which live up to 2 years or 2 seasons, produce flowers, fruits, seeds and die. Carrot, sugar cane, cabbage, beetroot. If you plant carrot, if you sow the seeds, the carrot will live for 2 years, children. Even the cabbage and sugarcane and beetroot, these are called biennials. Perennials, the plants which live for many years and keep producing flowers, fruits and seeds. Mango, lemon, coconut, neem, jackfruit and arecanut. See, this is a coconut tree. It lives for many years and it will be keep on giving the fruits for us. Apart from the lifespan, plants are classified into two by the types of the seeds they produce. They are monocotyledon and dicotyledon. Monocotyledon seeds have only one cotyledon. It means only one leaf will sprout at the time during germination. Example, jowar, ragi, wheat, paddy and millets. See the picture below, children. That is the monocotyledon, that is single leaf sprouted. Can you see here? Single leaf sprouted. This is single cotyledon and this is monocotyledon it's called. And dicotyledon seeds have two cotyledons. It means two leaves will sprout at the time first during the germination. Can you see the picture here? Two leaves are sprouting. So two cotyledons are here. So this is called dicotyledons. Example, horse gram, groundnut, green grain, green gram, black gram. Protection of plants and animals. Plants and animals are two important components of the environment, but nowadays their number is decreasing as a result of the man's greediness. Okay, what do you think about that, children? Yes, deforestation. You remember deforestation? So, deforestation means cutting the trees and building the buildings there, isn't it? So, man, how he's becoming greedy? Some of them destroy the forest and they built the big tall buildings there, isn't it? Due to that, the soil erosion also is taking place. What is soil erosion? Yeah, the soil will be washed away by the breeze. How it will be? In the past slides, you have learnt that the plant's root will be holding the soil firmly, isn't it? Firmly it will be holding. If there is no trees, how the roots will hold the soil? If there is no trees, it can't hold, the soil become loose and it will fly away in the breeze, isn't it? So that what will happen? The if the good soil, the fertile soil is gone, means the other soil it's not useful for the other plants, isn't it? The plants will not grow there. Yes or no, children? Why should we protect plants? Yes, why should we protect plants? Nowadays, you have seen that we celebrate Environmental Day and we draw so many pictures about green forest, isn't it? Why do we do that all? Because to protect the plants, isn't it? That is an awareness to protect the plants. Why do we want to protect children? Yes, for the rain, for the food, and the food for the future generations. Okay, if there is plants and trees, it will be the rain will be there, isn't it? If plants and trees are there, we will get food also. And for the future generation, for the future generation means tree is also a good resource, isn't it? Good living thing, and it helps us by giving oxygen. If there is no oxygen, if there is no tree, there is no oxygen. So the future generation, we have to save trees for our living, isn't it? Without oxygen we can't live, so it is important to protect the trees. Importance of animals. Animals maintain the environmental balance. If animals are destroyed, it affects the other animals. How do you tell children it affects the other animals? Because all animals are not herbivorous, isn't it? Some animals are carnivorous. What are carnivorous? Carnivorous means eating other animal, isn't it? Yes or no, children? Have you seen in the previous class, isn't it? What is carnivorous? Carnivorous animals that eat only plants and no, that is herbivorous. Carnivorous animal that eat other animals. Yes. So, if there is no animals, how the other animals will survive? For example, the lion, it will eat the other animal, isn't it? Fish in the water, it eats other small animals in the ocean or sea, isn't it? And frog eats the insects. Insects eat the worms, isn't it? Yes, and crane. Have you seen the crane, duck and all? It will eat the fish. So every animal is depending on the other animal. Not only the nature, they also depend on each other. So we need to protect animal to protect us. If we protect animal, if we protect the plants, if we protect the nature, it will protect us. Yes, it will repay us. It will protect us safely. Children, I hope you understand this living world lesson. We have seen many characteristics, isn't it? I hope it was very interesting for you. The lesson is over, children. Okay? Keep reading the lesson and learn the question answers. Okay? We'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.